Now see in this example, there is a disc, big disc of radius r, capital R here, and now from this disc a small disc of radius r by 2 is removed. Then you have to locate the center of mass of the remaining disc. But before doing this question, see here, if you take the symmetrical figures, like you have taken the triangle, sphere, disc, ring, all the or rectangular suppose rod and all that, in that case center of mass and geometrical center coincides. And similarly here the disc has got center of mass at O and a smaller disc has got its center of mass at O dash, and the center O dash from the original disc is at a distance of r by 2. So, for calculation of the center of mass, position of the center of mass for the remaining disc, first we have to write the masses of the bigger original disc and this smaller disc which has to be removed. So, first we have to assume here, let mass per unit area be sigma. First we have assumed mass per unit area. So, mass of original disc capital M is equal to pi r square into sigma. So, mass of this small disc, small m is equal to pi r square by 4 into sigma. So, we have calculated the masses of this small disc as well as the bigger disc. This is a regular geometrical body or the symmetrical body. So, its center of mass of the bigger disc lies at O and center of mass the smaller disc lies at O dash. So, we write their coordinates. So, see here this is at the origin and this is at a distance of r2. So, we can write x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to r by 2. Already m and small m we have got. So, we can calculate position of the center of mass. So, we can write here x is equal to, first we can write here mx1 minus mx2 divided by this m minus m, that we can write x is equal to pi r square into sigma into 0 minus pi r square by 4 into sigma into r by 2 divided by pi r square sigma minus pi r square by 4 sigma. This we have written. Now, we can solve this. When we solve this, we can get the lines. We can get x is equal to, this part is 0. So, we can write minus pi r cube sigma divided by 8, 4 into 2 that is 8, divided by here we can take LCM is here 3 pi r square sigma divided by 4. So, this and this will get cancelled, 1 r will left behind here and here we can this 4 and this is 2. So, we will be getting minus r by 6. So, this is coming x is equal to minus r by 6. Negative sign indicates left to the origin. It means the center of mass of the remaining disc, that is a resulting disc after removal of this smaller one, shift by a distance of r by 6 towards the left. So, this type of the question also can be solved by using the concept of the center of mass.